Hey everybody, here's another quick little video. These are kind of videos that I'd rather not be doing. I like fixing stuff I didn't break or somebody didn't break on a vehicle of mine, but I got somebody backed into my truck and broke the front bumper guard plastic thing there. So I'm going to go through and show you quickly. It's a simple little method here. I'm going to fix the broken center piece, and I've got the two end caps, two rectangular pieces, new ones ordered, so I'm going to replace both of those. Lucky the guy backed into the front right and broke the side without the radar sensor in it for the adaptive cruise, so that would have been a big pricey thing, and then I'd probably have to use my insurance for that. But it was $50 for two new end caps and then a couple plastic weld staples in the one piece, and we should have her fixed. And I'll show you here how we've got it done. Alrighty, so guy backed into this side here, broke it to bits, and in the process busted it off all the clips. This was all laying on the ground in front of the truck. These clips are in here, so these clips come out of there with just a little pry tool. So you've got one on the left, one on the right, and top and bottom. Now this side, there's the adaptive cruise module, their little radar thing right there, so glad he didn't back into that one. This one's still good, but the place I bought them from, they came in pairs, so I'll probably replace both so they look the same. The center bar, one of the tabs here broke off of the top right there. I'm not sure if I can weld that one. I'll maybe JB weld it. But this side here is cracked open, and we're going to try a couple plastic welds on that. Alrighty, got my trim piece here, a broken trim piece. Going to do it on the inside here, so it doesn't show and look ugly on the outside. So put a little staple in there. Get it lined up here. Right. Okay, we'll heat this up till it's red hot. There we go. There. We can see that we got the first staple in there. Let's see if we can get another one or so. Yeah. We need another one there. There you go, got two staples on the back side. Nice and strong now. I'll just trim those off and we should be good. Alright, so I got my JB Weld screwdriver. I use it for stirring. I'm going to use a little of this JB quick weld. We're going to glue this tab back on here. Very much, probably too much. Cap back on here. Just to mix it up good for a couple minutes. I got lots here, so I'll glue that tab on, and then on this side here I'll add where the staples went. I'll put a little bit more JB Weld in there and make it nice and strong. Maybe I'll do that first. This is mixed up pretty good. So I'm not going to need much for the tab, and I want the tab to sit still without wiggling. There we go. JB Weld, we'll just wait for that to dry. It should be set, was it about 6 minutes it says? 6 minutes to set, and then I think it's cured after, cures in 4 to 6 hours, so we'll let that sit and dry up, and then we will attach it back to the car. Ready, the JB Weld has done a good job holding that sucker on, and we've got the clip back on. This side here with the staples in the side, and then the JB Weld. And we've got all our clips back on. So there's 4 in the center and 1 on each end. And this cover just pops into the front bumper. But the end caps, these covers, these little guys here, they go on after that, so they kind of go right like that. So center piece in first, and then we will pop the new end caps when they get here, and we'll pop them on the sides. So we got it all cleaned up and ready to put back in. Alrighty, so got the package in the mail today. Check it out here. So we got all the clips. Looks like they've sent a bunch of extra, these yellow guys. You only need one on each one. Alright, we'll pop these on. There we go. All set. Let's go put them on the truck. Alright, so there's another quick little video, little repair. Like I said, something I didn't want to have to do, but there's stupid people out there that'll smack into your vehicle and run away. So if that helped anyway, leave a like, a subscribe if you'd like. It really helped my little channel out, and appreciate it very much. We'll see you next time.